Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes. Hey you guys, welcome back everyone to another amazing bake with me guys. Yes. So, before we get into it, today we're making the Pillsbury pumpkin spice muffins. Alright guys, so you can use this as pumpkin bread, pumpkin muffins, or pumpkin cheesecake. So before we get into it, we're going to turn our oven on 350 to 400 degrees. All right, let's wash our hands. All right, and this is a very simple, easy recipe. Okay, very simple. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is, all right, I don't know why I have to. Oh, okay, yeah, all right. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open our batter. Okay. All right. So this is our batter, guys. You can smell the pumpkin in there. So we want to make sure we get all of the batter in there. Okay, let's toss this. Okay. Now after we do that, we're going to need 1 cup of milk, guys. So this is our measuring cup, and the milk that I'm using is evaporated milk carnation. Okay. So all right. So we're going to need 1 cup of that. Okay. All right, so we're going to pour that in there. All right. And then we're going to need, let's wash this out a little bit. This oil and milk, that goes good. Okay. All right. Then we're going to need about 1.5 of oil. Okay, guys. All right. So let's see here. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's 1/3 of oil, guys. Okay, so we're gonna pour that in there. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, because we're making allspice. We're making pumpkin spice muffins. So just, we're gonna sprinkle just a little bit. We're not gonna do too much. Okay, so just 1/2 teaspoon of the allspice. So this is ground allspice. All right, and then we're gonna need 2 eggs. So we're gonna crack them in a separate bowl. Okay? So the reason I do that is, guys, to make sure that you don't get the shell or any stuff into your batter. So now now it's time to beat your batter. Okay, guys? Alright, so we're going to start off very slow. Okay, we're going to check our batter real quick. Alright, you just want to take your spoon and mix around to make sure that it's well mixed, guys. Okay? That is well mixed, and you can smell the pumpkin inside of it. Alright? Now, I know some folks don't do this, but I like to taste my batter. Okay? And you can taste the spice. It's not too spicy, but it's good. Alright? So, the next thing that we're going to do is, I have my muffin tray here. So we're going to get our filling. Okay? It's the same filling that you use for like a cupcake or something. And we're just going to put our filling here. Okay. And we're going to spray our filling with some Pam so it doesn't stick. Okay. We're going to do the same thing for this one. And this filling you can find at your local dollar store, grocery store. It should be like about $1 or $2. Okay. Now we're going to now start to pour our pumpkin batter into our filling. Now you have to be very careful with this. Be very careful with this. So I'm using a little scooper, a little cup here. Alright, and be very careful. Alright. As you pour it into the filling. Okay. So you want to dip and then wipe some off. Okay. Also, if you guys would like to see me do the pumpkin bread, leave in the comments down below. I will do the pumpkin bread. Leave in the comments down below. I do have another holiday special live coming. It's how to make a a sweet potato pie, guys. That is with a plethora of great content creators live. It's going to be a Bake With Me live. So it's going to be myself, Life at the Logans, Uniquely Lavish, Keeping Up with the Griffins, Joe and Christy. So make sure you guys come out and check that one out if you would like to learn how to make a sweet potato pie. Now, I don't make the traditional way. I do it, I like to convert stuff my way and make it very easy to do, So make it very easy because I believe in baking and cooking. It should be very easy, not hard. Okay? So I do it to my liking of how I want to taste a sweet potato pie. Okay, so now the next one, we have already put our non-stick in here. So we're gonna go ahead and put our batter in here. So you want to make it full to just about enough. Okay. All right. Also, I do have a wings on the plate challenge out, guys. So if you guys would like to do that, my road to 1900, please do it. It's a brunch challenge. Okay. We're almost done. And also the batter for the muffins is a little bit thicker than the batter for the bread. It's a little bit thicker than the actual bread itself. Okay. All right. So we're almost there, guys. Okay. We got about one more. Okay. Okay. So this batter can hold about maybe one more left. But we're gonna put these in our oven now. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So our muffins are now in the oven. We have about maybe one more muffin here. So we're gonna let those bake and take them out. And I'm going to show you, take them out. And then once everything is done, we'll be back. So let it bake for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys how to check it and we'll be back. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back. So we're about to check our muffins and we're about to put them on our plate right now. So let me get this oven mitt. I apologize. Okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to properly check your muffins. You're gonna need a flat knife like this. Okay? Alright, and what you want to do is, this is our muffins right here. So you want to make sure that you stick the knife in the middle. Alright, and as you can see, there's no batter. Okay? So we're going to take them out. right. All right, we're gonna turn off our oven for right now. Okay. All right. Okay. So now we're gonna put our muffins on our plate here. Okay. And the purpose of the filling is to shape your muffins. See, guys? All right. All right. And there we have it. We got us some pumpkin spice muffins. All right. There we have it. Pumpkin spice muffins, y'all. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to tap that notification bell each time I upload or each time I go live. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys. What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up?